The one-ranked product is Solareye Compressed Air Duster 180000 RPM Electric Air Duster Cordless Air Blower Rechargeable 3 gears adjustable jet dry blower with brushless motor for cleaning keyboard, PC, car, home, outdoor. Review score 4.9. Review count 74 ratings. Price $79.99. Customers like the power, cleaning tool, and battery life of the product. They mention it works well, comes with accessories, and a gift cleaning kit. Some also appreciate the build quality and functionality. What's more, customers are happy with the weight. Customers dislike. No info. The two-ranked product is Compressed Air Duster 180000 RPM Electric Cleaner Kit with 3 gear adjustable. Replace canned air. Mini rechargeable cordless air blower for keyboard, PC, car cleaning. Gifts for men. Silver gray. Review score 4.8. Review count 153 ratings. Price $69.99. Customers like the power, portability, and battery life of the product. They mention it's highly portable, lightweight, and has a long battery life. Some appreciate the build quality and ease of use. Customers also appreciate the cleaning power, size, and speed. Customers dislike. No info. The three-ranked product is Compressed Air Duster Cordless Electric Air Blower with 4-speed mode. Enhanced 100,000 RPM cleaning. 3,300 mAh rechargeable battery. New Gen Jet Dry Blower for computer keyboards car cleaning. Review score 4.8. Review count 95 ratings. Price $37.99. Customers like the power, compactness, and cleaning power of the product. They mention it's impressive, good for cleaning computers, keyboards, desks, and more. Some appreciate the ease of use, build quality, and rechargeability. In addition, customers are satisfied with the speed, settings, and value for money. Customers dislike. No info. The 4-ranked product is Electric Air Duster 130000 RPM Compressed Air Duster Turbo Fan Jet Fan Car Dryer Air Blower Adjustable Jet Dry Blower for keyboard, outdoors, PC, car, airbed and home cleaning. Black. Review score 4.8. Review count 47 ratings. Price $49.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 5-ranked product is Zezzofan Compressed Air Duster 180000 RPM Mini Electric Air Duster Powerful Blower High-Speed Duct Fan 3 Adjustable Rechargeable Cordless Air Broom for keyboards home outdoor dust rain snow removal. Review score 4.7. Review count 167 ratings. Price $88.99. Customers like the functionality, dust removal, and power of the product. They mention it's extremely functional, perfect for cleaning up dust, and has a powerful motor that delivers impressive airflow. Some appreciate the charging speed, strength, and lightweight construction. Customers also appreciate the battery life, value for money, and airflow. Customers dislike. No info.